going to show you how to do the half treble, and again we start off with 12 chains. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and because we're doing half treble we add 2 more chains like so. And then to start with we skip 2 chains and then put your yarn over your hook, go in the 3rd chain, put your yarn over your hook and pull it through. So you've got 3 hooks on, and then you put your yarn over and pull through all 3 like so, and you carry on, yarn over, through your chain, yarn over, pull it through, and then because it's a half treble you put your yarn over and go through all 3, and you carry on to the end of the row, and then I shall show you how to turn. Right, we're now on the last chain, so again yarn over, through the chain, yarn over your hook and pull it through, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. And then just to check, we've got 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and then you turn your work, put 2 chains like so, and then you go through the front and the back loop of your previous row. So again, yarn over, hook through, yarn over and pull it through, so you've got 3, yarn over and then go through all 3 loops, and again yarn over, through both the front and the back loop, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops like so, and again you work your way along the row. Please excuse the cat, he just wants to say hello. And again check that you've got 12, so we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right, so again we've got 12, so you turn your work and chain 2 like so, yarn over, go through both the front and the back, and then through, and again you just work your way along the row. And if you just keep practicing that by doing squares, which again you can use as pot holders, or if you make it slightly wider you could make a nice little scarf, or even wider you could make a little blanket. Thank you.